Hi everyone, I'm Rachel, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do an etching style drawing with the pen tool using the Color Therapy app. Etching is an art technique that uses hatching and cross-hatching to engrave onto a metal plate used for printing. Cross-hatching is the best way to shade an image in this case, and it creates a unique effect. Okay, so here's an example of cross-hatching. So you can see how they cross-hatched to create all the shadows. Then you leave the blank space as your highlights. So you can apply this technique to really any image. This is a great one just because it has a lot of lines already going on for you. So we're just gonna add in some shadows around the face for the most part, and then we'll just be tracing the hairline and everything else. In the manual mode, we're gonna select the pen tool because it has a very detailed tip. And I'll have the opacity at about 80%, and I'm going to do size 1. Okay, so you want to have coloring inside the lines mode set to on, and then with a basic black, just zoom into the face, and then you're going to just start to add in quick, long lines just on the side of the face. And they're just slightly curved, and then we're going to cross-hatch just right over those. And if you can sort of imagine that the cheekbone is going to be right here, so it's going to be a lot darker right underneath the cheekbone, so you can add more lines in that area. I'm also going to do some shorter, quick lines too, just like that. So you can do a combination of long lines and short lines. And I'll bring it all the way up to the temple. Again, look at a reference if you need help with just where to add in those shadows. I think in general, it's really good to remember to curve your lines. So just sort of try to picture the shape of the face. It's going to be rounded. So you want to curve your lines with the shape of the face. So just continue adding in those lines, just hatching and cross-hatching. So I'm really just accentuating every curve and shape on the face. And then for the beard and hair and the rest of it, just make sure you turn coloring inside the lines mode 2 off. And then you're basically just going to trace those lines. And so you just want to go one line at a time and just swirl them, add in a lot of curves. Just add in a lot of movement with those lines. You can also add in these little tiny circles for little curls in the beard. The final result can be made by removing the black lines and applying the metallic effect, which gives the etched look. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.